Avoid these mistakes if you're voting in Pennsylvania. First one, if you do not put your ballot inside the yellow election envelope, your ballot will not be counted. Your ballot needs to be inside and sealed in this yellow envelope called official election ballot to be counted. And then that envelope needs to go inside the pre-addressed outer return envelope. Yep. And if you do not sign that outer envelope and put the correct date on it, your ballot will not be counted. If you don't put the date, it won't count. If you don't sign the outer envelope, it won't count. If you write the wrong date, it won't count. If it's not inside the official election ballot secrecy yellow envelope, it won't count. And we really, really want your ballot to count in Pennsylvania. So here are the steps. First, you get your ballot, you read the instructions, you fill out the front and the back. 2, you take your ballot, you put it into that yellow secrecy envelope and you seal it. Then you take that official election ballot secrecy envelope and put it inside the pre-addressed outer return envelope. You put the correct date and you sign it. And then you can return the completed ballot at your elections office or in the mail. And here's an important part of that information. Absentee and mail-in ballots must be received by 8 p.m. on election day. So by 8 p.m. on November 5th. Otherwise, they will not be counted. Lastly, I want to remind you of some really important dates to vote in Pennsylvania. First, let's talk about the voter registration deadline, which is October 21st. That is the last day you can register to vote in Pennsylvania. But if you're already registered, you can start voting as soon as September 16th. And the third date I want you to remember is October 29th. That is the last day you can request an absentee ballot to vote in Pennsylvania.